Okay, I just want to repeat on the funded accounts for those one who needs funded accounts, whether it's for free or you want to pay for the funded account. I'm going to show you how to receive one of them. As you can see here, I'm on Traders with Edge. I'll put the link in the video description and also maybe in the first comment. So you can see we have the title, the head, and also the instant funding account. I'm going to explain only two of them. I'm going to explain the title and the instant funding account. So the title one is like a challenge. So if you go for the title, you have to choose a standard. There is also aggressive, but I prefer standard because of the of the smoothness of standard. Okay, then I have to choose the minimum is 5,000 funded account, 10,000, 25, but let's go for 5,000 because we don't really have enough money to pay for this. 5,000, as you can see, 5,000 costs very little amount of money, which is costs 55. It costs 55, and you have to trade with this 5,000. You have to trade or you have to reach 10% as a target. Okay, then you have to lose. Maximum daily loss is 2.5, which is 125, and maximum drawdown for the whole account is 250. So if you lose 250, they will take an account away from you. So you have minimum of 10 days to trade. If you trade this within 10 days, or I mean if you trade between 10 days and 365 days, then you get this 10% profit target without blowing, without losing this percentage stated here. Then you can get funded that $5,000 account. So you can see the leverage is already 1 to 20, and you can use your robots. You can trade, you can hold weekends. It's nice, you can hold even during weekends. So you can get funded that $5,000 account after trading, reaching the tag. The good thing about this challenge is that you only pay little amount of money. So you only pay 55, which is a little bit just cheap. Okay, let's go for the next one, which is 10,000. So 10,000, for 10,000, you can see you have to pay 100, which is very cheap. Then you have to trade that, not losing. The target is 10% still, and you don't have to lose 250, and you don't need to lose a maximum of 500. And then you have to trade for at least 10 days and at most the whole year, growing your account. After that, you get funded with your $10,000 account, and then they will obviously refund this amount of money once you pass this challenge. So you can see the payout. You can do a payout every 2 weeks, which is actually what everybody is looking for. So let's go. I want to explain on the instant funding. So I don't want to go on others, but I want to explain on instant fundings. Don't worry, I will also talk about the free, how to get it for free. Okay, instant funding starts from 2,500. As you can see, 2,500, that's the instant funding, which costs, let's see here the cost, it costs us 125. Okay, you can see it costs us 125 to get that 2,500 account. So once you get this account, you start making profits already. So your target is 10%. If you get 10%, then they can scale you to 10,000. Then they can scale your account to 10,000. Okay, if you get 10%, they can scale your account to 20,000. That's how it works. The maximum loss of this account is also 5%, and you have to trade a minimum of 5 days, which is just a week, minimum of 5 days trading. So maximum days on this level is 180. If you spend the whole 180 days trading and did not grow this account, that means they cannot level you up, because you are not really that profitable. So unless later when they find out that you can really do it within 180 days, they can level you up to 10,000. And once they find out that you are doing great, they can level you to up forever. They can level you for as much as they can. So as you can see, they can level you up to 1.2 million. You can see this 1.28 million. So they can level you up to there. So the profit split of this one is actually 50%, which might look small for now, but once you get scaled, and you get scaled, let me say your account is 40, so your profit is 50. If you make, let me say you make 10,000, you can split 5 which is actually great. I would go for all of these. Okay, let's go for $10,000 account on an instant funding. I mean $5,000 account. 5,000 is fine, but I don't want you guys to start big if you know you don't have already a lot of money to trade. It's better you start with a smaller a smaller uh a smaller fee, like 2.5, because you are obviously learning, you don't have enough money to pay for everything. So you can see this one is a $5,000 account, so you have to target it 10%, and then a loss is 5% also. Minimum trading is 5 days. You have maximum of 180 days, and you can see you have to pay 250 for this account, which is actually not a lot of money. That's why I like Traders with Edge. So basically what they do here, they provide you with a lot of accounts. You may go also, you just come straight to the website and you can look for, you can go through yourself, you can go through everything, you can even go through 50. There's a This is the first challenge. It costs about 450, but I don't want you to go big. If you know you can, you are disciplined enough, you don't need to go big. Just start as little and then start growing. That's how we grow. If you start big with big account and don't have that enough experience, it might just be the worst ever for you. So okay, let me show you how to purchase one of these accounts. Let me say I'm purchasing an instant account here. I'm gonna just choose the the cheap one, which is 2,500, and I'm gonna choose here whether I'm going for MT5 or MT4. So for me, I prefer trading with MT5. So okay, I'll choose MT5, then it will take me to the page. So let's just see what I'm gonna see here. Let me say we are trying to purchase an account. It's very smooth and fast, so it doesn't take a lot of time to do crazy things. As you can see, okay, this is a 2.5. This is 2.5 instant standard account, MT5. As you can see, these are a few ways that you may go through. So they are saying if you are looking for a smaller instant standard account to allow you to test your system with real money, look for no further than 2.5, which is really enough money. With MT5 account, it's perfect experienced trader. You can also use MT4. You have a choice there. With the unique funding trading model, you can get started right away. See if your system is success in the real world. So why wait? Get started today with 2.5 instant standard account. As you can see, it costs this amount of money, which is 125, but we can also add customizations. So but the customization that we are adding, I'm say you want your profit split to be 60%, so you can add that for $35. You want to double your average because the average is 1 to 20. You can double your average like this. Okay, then that's another that we add $70, meaning we're gonna pay 190. So you can see 190. So it's simple as such. It's not really that tough. You can read here the information. You can read the information right here. The daily drawdown, you can read information is well provided here. There's no daily drawdown limit here on the account, so that's the greatest. And the maximum drawdown is actually like 5%. So you can read all the information. You can read all the information given right here, and then you can click on go to check out. Okay, you can click go to check out, and then you will be directed to the website where you can check out. It's smooth, guys. It's not really difficult. It's smooth, especially if you have been on the internet for some times now. It's very smooth. So all you have to do is log in into your account, or if you don't have, just create one here by putting the information here, and then you can choose whatever payment method you want. As you can see, we have credit card, we have bank transfer, cryptocurrency, Pioneer, we have local payment method via ZanPay, we have Perfect Money, we have Bitcoin Lightning Network or BTC Light Network, we have Wise, we have PayPal. So we have a lot of options to pay here. So it's easy. It's easy to pay. Just follow the link down in the video description and also maybe in the first comment, and you guys can get your funded account. So for the free account, that I promised to tell you, there are also ways that you can get free funded accounts here. Not through the challenge, but through earning points. you know what you do, just click right here and you go to community. As you can see on community, there are competitions and there are leaderboard and there are insights. Okay, let me go for leaderboard. What they do here, you can like by liking, I mean by commenting and doing things there, you can earn points, and those points can help you get discounts, or you can help buy these things with points. Okay, you can buy with points. I'm not sure how it works right here using on the phone, but I'm used to use the computer. So let me just see if I can get it right. I'm used to using a computer, so on the phone it's really not what I expect it to be. But simply, it's very easy to use. All you have to do, you can already get the video there on the website on how to earn points and how to convert your points or how to buy with points. So it's easy, guys. So let's just get started and see you again on the next video.